हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। तो इंग्लिश पेपर कैसा रहा? होपफुल सबका अच्छा ही गया होगा। पेपर बहुत इजी था। तो होप करते हैं साइंस का पेपर भी कुछ ऐसा रहे, बट प्रिपरेशन तो तगड़ा होना चाहिए। ठीक है, तो आज तुम्हारे लिए फिजिक्स के कुछ तगड़े क्वेश्चंस लेके आया हूँ। वीडियो के लास्ट तक बने रहना, कुछ ना कुछ नया तो जरूर सीखने को मिलेगा। जो लास्ट तक बने रहेगा उससे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा। ठीक है, तो पहला क्वेश्चन ये कहता है, इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज प्लेस्ड एट 2f ऑफ ए कॉन्केव लेंस देन द इमेज विल बी फॉर्म्ड एट 2f, एट f, एट इंफिनिटी और बिटवीन f एंड 2f। तो देखो, कुछ रट्टू तोते ऐसे होंगे जो 2f में अगर ऑब्जेक्ट हो तो याद रखे होंगे 2f में इमेज होगा, बट ये कॉन्केव लेंस है, यहाँ पे 2f तक नहीं जाएगा। क्योंकि एक्चुअली तुम्हारा ऑप्शन होगा बिटवीन f एंड 2f। क्यों बताता हूँ देखो, कॉन्केव लेंस हमेशा इमेज फॉर्मेशन करता है डिमिनिश्ड इमेज। ओके, तो यहाँ पर ही सेम साइज का तो इमेज बन ही नहीं सकता है, तो हमेशा इमेज कहाँ बनेगा? बिटवीन f एंड 2f। ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। According to Maxwell's corkscrew rule, if the direction of magnetic field clockwise, then the direction of current will be upwards, downwards, inwards or outwards. Which is the correct answer? देखो, कॉक्सक्रू रूल याद है? तो कॉक्सक्रू रूल बोलता है, थंब बताता है डायरेक्शन। ठीक है, अगर अगर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन है तो करंट विल बी डाउनवर्ड्स। According to Fleming's left hand rule, thumb shows the direction of what? Magnetic field, current, force and none of these. Thumb shows the direction of force। देखो, ये ला लेफ्ट हैंड रूल। थंब shows the direction of force, forefinger shows the direction of magnetic field and middle finger shows the current। शॉर्ट में अगर याद करना है तो KFC से FMC याद कर लेना, फोर्स, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड करंट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। H is equal to I square RT, that the formula of Ohm's law, Faraday's law, Joule's law of heating and none of these, which is the correct answer? ये तो सबको को पता होगा। दिस इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ Joule's law of heating। Does a person living in a planet without atmosphere able to see the advanced sunrise and delayed sunset? Yes, no, can't say or none of the. Is your correct answer? The correct answer is no. For the reason, because without atmosphere, no atmospheric refraction will take place. In case of a rectangular glass slab, the incident ray that is parallel to emergent ray, but this is not in the case of prism. Why? Option A, its opposite sides are not parallel. Option B, it is thicker. Option C, cannot say. Or option D, none of these. And your correct answer is option A, because the opposite sides of prism that are not parallel like a rectangular glass slab. Which of the following is correct? Net resistance in series that's equal to net resistance in parallel. Net resistance is series that is greater than net resistance in parallel. Net resistance in series is less than net resistance in parallel, or can't say. Which of the following is correct? Always remember option B, that is always correct. Net resistance in series always greater than net resistance in parallel. Magnetic field lines exit from which pole and enter at what pole? Option A, north south respectively. Option B, south north respectively. Option C, east west respectively, or west and east respectively. It exits from north pole and enter out south pole. So option A is your correct answer. Due to an old age, lens of eye loses elasticity and cannot focus accurately. That is known as which type of disease? Myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, or cataract. This disease due to old age is known as option C is correct answer, that is presbyopia. If the focal length of a person's eye increases, then the disease from which he is suffering: myopia, hypermetropia, presbyopia, and cataract. Which of the following is correct answer? So if the focal length of the person's eye increases, then he is suffering from the disease that is known as myopia. Thus, option A is correct answer. Magnification of which of the following mirror cannot be 1? Concave mirror, plane mirror, convex mirror, or all of the above? देखो, मैग्निफिकेशन कनकेव मिरर में 1 हो सकता है, प्लेन मिरर में तो 1 होता है, बट कन्वेक्स मिरर में ऑलवेज डिमनिश इमेज फॉर्मेशन होता है। तो ऑप्शन सी इज करेक्ट आंसर, because convex mirror always produces dimnish image. Pure metals not used for the heating element because they have low melting point, they undergo oxidation reaction, they have low resistance, and both B and C. The correct answer is pure metals have low resistance and they undergo oxidation reaction. So both P and C is the correct answer. Magnetic field inside a current carrying solenoid that is similar to bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, disc magnet or spherical magnet. That is always equal to a bar magnet. Option A is correct answer. Next question. Electric current through a conductor between 2 points that is directly proportional to the voltage across the 2 points. That is said by Newton, Ohm, Mendel or Fleming. B is equal to IR. This is the relation given by Ohm. The purpose of rheostat is increase the magnitude of current, decrease the magnitude of current, increase or decrease the magnitude of current, none of these. The rheostat is also known as a variable resistor. So option C is the correct answer. You can increase or decrease the magnitude of current. A fuse wire should be connected in a live wire, neutral wire, earth wire or not necessary. Is the correct answer. The fuse wire or switches that are always connected in a live wire. The persistence of vision for the human eye is 1 by 10th of a second, 1 by 16th of a second, 1 by 6th of a second or 1 by 18th of a second. The persistence of vision of human eye is 1 by 16th of a second. That is option B. Vehicle tail lamps of red in color because red color has higher frequency, higher wavelength, highly scattered or more power. The red lamps are red in color due to red have higher wavelength. Two resistors are connected in parallel in a circuit, then which quantity remains same? Current, voltage, resistance or none of these? When the resistors are connected in parallel, then they have potential difference is same. The correct answer V. B, that is voltage. How much more heat is produced if the current is tripled? Thrice the original amount, 9 times of original amount, 4 times of original amount or none of these? Actually, heat is the relation of heat with current is current square is directly proportional to it. So if the current is 3 times, then the heat produced will be 9 times of the original amount. The heating element of an electric iron that is made up of copper, nichrome, aluminum or iron. Always heating elements are made up of nichrome. Electrical resistivity of any metallic wire that depends upon its thickness, its shape, nature of the material or its length. That always depends upon the nature of the material. Option C, that is correct answer. 1 kilowatt hour, that's equal to how many joules? 3.6 into 10 to the power 8, 3.6 into 10 to the power 6, 3.6 into 10 to the power 4 or 3.6 into 10 to the power 7. The correct answer is option B, that is 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joules. Electric fuse works on the principle of chemical effect of current, magnetic effect of current, lighting effect of current or heating effect of current. That always works on the heating effect of electric current.